I like that little one. How you guys feeling? You good? You guys feel good? That was the most amazing thing. I'm like still thinking about that proposal. Oh my god. So, listen. I have had like a lot of humongous changes this year, and I don't know how many of you kind of know my story before this year exploded and I wrote this song about not giving up on myself, and then all this stuff started happening. But before that, I was driving in a van, and before that in my mom's car with this guy right here, my best friend Craig Meyer. And we played a ton of shows, and we played these beautiful shows, these beautiful nights. What'd you say? For 20 or 30 people, and it was like some of the most amazing, some of those amazing times in my life, getting to do that, like just these intimate moments. And I think that part of the incredible thing about this venue in particular is, I don't know why, but you guys feel really close to me on stage, and this feels super intimate. This is reminding me of the intimacy of those living rooms. So, hey. So this song is for those fans who were there earlier. This is a deep cut. I think I got a Twitter request for this one today. You're welcome. So keep your eyes set on the horizon, on the line with you, and I bet that silver lining, but I know it might be soon. 'Cause I sent 1,000 ships to you, my messages don't seem well, I was singing favorite songs on the radio, and I would memorize the lyrics so you never have to know. No, slow down. There's some kind of blessing here, but you're gonna miss your cue. So keep your eyes set on the horizon, on the line with you, peace blue. And I expect that silver lining, but I know it's not too soon. 'Cause I sent 1,000 ships to you, my messages don't seem to be true. Money and fame, they are an easy game, and I know those pretty actresses are calling her name. But I'll be here waiting, I've always been the same, begin again. Da 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 da. Should we dance for everybody on this? Shake it out. Da 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 da. Come on, get the best on that beat. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Yeah. Da 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 da. So keep your